Least common denominator or least common multiple. What is the difference? When is it necessary to find this value? In this video, I explain this concept and give you some problems to try on your own. The correct name is least common multiple, but this value is usually used while adding or subtracting fractions, and is therefore usually also called the least common denominator. If we have several numbers, say A, B, C, D, E, or maybe more, the process to find the LCM is the same. The LCM is just the lowest number that can be divided by each of the numbers A, B, C, D, and E with no remainders. This value makes it easier to add or subtract fractions, and is also called the LCD, that is, the least common denominator. Say the numbers we are given are 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have to find the LCM. If the LCM is a number divisible by each of these numbers, then we can just multiply all the numbers to come up with a value that is divisible by each number. 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 is equal to 120, and 120 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 5, with 0 remainders each time. But is it the lowest multiple? 3 times 4 times 5 is equal to 60, and 60 is a smaller number that is divisible by 2, 3, 4, and 5. A simple and quick way to find the LCM follows. Say, we want to find the LCM of 5, 7, and 10. Start dividing the numbers starting with the lowest prime number. If the numbers are divisible, then write the quotients on a line below, otherwise write the number. Repeat until all the quotients are 1. Then, multiply all the divisors to get the value of the LCM. Let's consider the first example of the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 1. Write the numbers in a row, as shown earlier. Step 2. And then begin dividing the numbers starting with the lowest prime number so that you get a 0 remainder each time. Repeat until you get a row of all ones. Then, multiply all the divisors to get the LCM. Now, it's your turn. Solve the following problems on your own. If you have any questions, write them in the comments section. And if you found value in this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.